Martin Brothers Plumbing has proudly been serving Southern California since 1985. With our experience in trenchless pipe replacement, we are confident we can replace your entire system if necessary. We are also knowledgeable about CIPP liner as well as video pipe locating and inspection. Are your drains not draining fast enough? Try hydrojetting. We work tirelessly to do your job correctly, the first time. Martin Brothers Plumbing is licensed to work in sewers and public right-of-way. We have the experience, the manpower, and the machinery to do just about any plumbing job you could need. Please call us at 323-936-1164 or come visit us at 4757 West Washington Boulevard to discuss your plumbing needs.